You got to lift that side up a little bit.
You can grab that bag for him.
Yeah, it's probably, probably a tire rubbing the fender, because the fender doesn't fit this thing properly. So I'm like, no big deal. Drove it 30 miles to work on a 50 mile an hour back road. I mean, I might have gotten it up to 55 a couple of times. And I picked it up and it was wiggly. I'm like, crap. And then I did not make it home. Here's a picture of the bike up on a tow truck. I got within 10 miles of the house, so I put another 20 miles on it, aside from my test riding I'd done before riding it to work. So, yeah, this is a complete fail, and this is why I cannot recommend this sidecar. This is why I cannot recommend this sidecar to anybody. If you're buying this, you better be a mechanical engineer so that you can fix its shortcomings. And the shock absorber, what I've noticed is when I go around right turns, this thing leans real hard. Shock absorber is not up to the task, so it's just too soft. And I've got it almost all the way up. I got it one notch away from all the way up, so that last notch isn't going to solve this problem. So need to come up with a better shock absorber for this. I have an idea. We'll see. I don't know. I'll probably just keep using this one for the time being. On that. So let's go ahead and take this off. Well, my original plan was to get a custom axle made so I could run this motorcycle's original front tire on the side, which should work just fine. But there we go. Brief. So there's a ridge on there that I don't recall being there before. Anyways, let's have a look at this bearing that failed. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's how badly that bearing failed. Just came apart in my hand. So there's the inner seal. The outer seal is long gone. Technically it should still be. Oh, there it is. Yep, I was going to say it should still be here. But there's the outer seal. It got pushed out. This says it's a 600 SR5 or 5R5. So I work at a bearing manufacturer. I could probably look that up, but I can tell you that the bearing, even if it was proper, there's too much weight, too much load on that bearing. This bearing, you can see it's recessed deep inside here. This seal is already punctured and damaged, so this bearing is failing too, but with how bad the other one failed, it would have doubled the load on this one. But anyways, yeah. Oh, the inner seal on that one is already popped off. So, yeah. Ball bearings. I don't feel that they're going to be adequate ever for this task. I mean,